Well, how's it going, everyone? I'm out here in the garage looking over some stuff. Uh, been a strange month. Had a lot of things to take care of. Of course, my last video, my Aunt Kathy had passed away, so my cousin and I have been dealing with stuff with that. Really haven't done much in the garage this month. But I've been busy, just not on the car. I had to go put a mini split unit in my house in Alabama. My house up here, remodeled one of the bedrooms and repainted the bathroom. So I've been busy doing house stuff, but I've been waiting on parts. And one part of it has already showed up. The other part's supposed to show up today. The day is Monday. And getting ready to go back out of town again for a job up in Kentucky we got to do for tomorrow. And then when I get back, I got to get the truck ready to go to make another trip back down to Florida. We're going to do a celebration of life for my Aunt Kathy. So I'm going to be down there for a few days. But as soon as I get back, I will be back on the Lark. It's getting some upgrades already, mainly in this area. And just get back on it. September is going to be around the corner before I know it. There's things I still got to address on the car. The main thing right now is the gear ratio versus the NAG1 transmission. Trying to get the TCM and that to line up. Worst case scenario, I'll have to change the rear gear out, which I can get that done before the event. And still need to get the headlights and everything wired up. That's going to be priority as well. And just trying to get back on it after everything that's going on. Update on Ethan's Honda. Well, he's been having a blast with it. He's been driving the crap out of it, except for today. The alignment and everything's done. New tires. He decided to put a rack in, or a luggage rack. And he took it, there's a thing here that we do every year called Bonnaroo. So he took it to Bonnaroo. A lot of people was asking him about the car. But like I said before, I'm proud of him. It's back up, it's rolling. He's got basically almost everything back in the car now. So he's got the carpet and everything back in. Part of the back seat, they didn't put the back piece in because of being packed up for Bonnaroo. But yeah, everything's in. He's getting a new shifter boot made for it. One of the girls at work is going to be making it for him. But just wanted to give a quick update. What's going on. And I'll be getting back at it here once I get back from Florida. And you'll see the big upgrades is going to happen to the front of the car. And get back on it. Get it together. Get it to talk nice with each other. And hopefully before I go to No Names, I might be able to get it to a track. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But other than that, guys, just a quick update. Thank you for being patient with me. And I'll see you down the road.